We'll guide you through how to transfer photos and videos from an Android phone to a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do as perhaps you want to go and keep them on here to go and share them and just go and have a backup of them there. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. So to get started, we need to go and grab the cable. So we're going to go and plug one end into the phone. Let's go and do that now. Then go and grab the other end and plug that into the computer, which I've now done. You're going to go and see it's charging, and we've had this pop up on the computer. Go and drag down on the phone, and you need to go and look for a notification. USB 4. You may just scroll down a bit and tap there. When you tap that there, make sure it's set to transferring files like so. Then what you want to do is you need to come onto the laptop. We'll just leave the phone on the home screen. You want to go and press search at the bottom, go and type in photos, press enter. This is going to go and open up. Just go and wait, and you need to find the import option in the top right and click there and select the phone. Go and wait. Now it's going to go and load the items, so go and be patient. Once they've loaded, what you can do is go and select all of them or just the new ones, or you can just go and select them by clicking them in the top right. So you can go through and go and choose the images and videos you want to do this with. When you're ready, press the blue button in the top right and you can choose where. So we've got pictures here, but you can go and create a new folder and choose where you want it to be. Press import and let it complete. Here we are in my file explorer and I can see them here.